Hello, the topic I have been assigned is big data and real-time analytics in marketing, and I will be discussing on how big data enables real-time marketing personalization and campaign optimization. But before that, we first need to understand what big data really is, right? And how exactly it works. Well, simply put, big data refers to vast and rapidly growing volumes of data that are too large and complex for traditional data processing tools to manage. This data comes in many forms: structured, example tables; semi-structured, example JSON and XML; and unstructured, example text, images, and videos. Now, with the increase in the number of devices, sensors, online services, and digital platforms, data is now generated at an unprecedented rate. Now, this growth makes it essential for organizations to adopt advanced tools and technologies to capture, store, analyze, and utilize this data effectively. So, how does all this data actually work for a marketer? Now, this is where it gets really cool, starting with real-time market personalization. Think about it this way. In the old days, a company might send the same email newsletter to its entire list of 1 lakh customers. Now, that's not very personal, right? Now, with big data, it's completely different. Imagine you're on a shopping website. You click on a pair of blue running shoes and then you look at some black ones. In that instant, the company's analytics system is processing that information. It's combining your clicks with thousands of other data points it already knows about you, like your past purchase history, what items you have left in your cart before, and even what other customers similar to you ended up buying. Now, before you even click to the next page, the website can change just for you. Suddenly, the homepage banner isn't showing a generic store-wide sale. It's showing you a special offer on running socks or a "you might also like" section that with other athletic gear. Now, that's real-time personalization. It's the ability to process a massive big data stream of information about you right now and instantly tailor the marketing message to be as relevant as possible. This is what platforms like Netflix or Amazon do so well. They aren't just guessing. They are using big data to predict what you want to see next. Now, let's talk about the second part, campaign optimization. This is about making marketing campaigns smarter while they're still running. In the past, a marketer would create an ad campaign, run it for a month, and then look at a report to see if it worked. Now, the problem is, by then all the money has already been spent. If the ad was a failure, it was too late to fix it. Today, big data allows for real-time optimization. A marketer can launch 5 different versions of a social media ad at the same time. The analytics system then monitors in real time how thousands of people are reacting to each one. Within just a few hours, the system might see that ad version A is performing terribly, but ad version C is getting a huge number of clicks from people on their mobile phones. Because the system is analyzing this massive flow of data instantly, it can automatically make a decision. It will stop spending money on the failing ads and shift the entire budget to ad version C, showing it only to other mobile phone users it identifies as the right audience. So, in both cases, big data is like the engine. It's what allows marketing to stop guessing and start responding to what customers are actually doing right in the moment. To make it even clearer, the whole process generally follows these 4 key steps. First, data collection. This is where everything starts. The system captures every click, every like, every purchase, every page view, and pulls in data from social media, mobile apps, and websites. Second, data processing and storage. All this raw data, which is massive and messy, is instantly cleaned, sorted, and stored in advanced databases, so it's ready to be analyzed. Third, real-time analysis. This is like the brain. As the data flows in, powerful analytics and machine learning models search for patterns, score leads, and predict your next move. This is the part that decides this person is 90% likely to buy those shoes. And fourth, execution and action. Based on that analysis, the system takes action immediately. It sends the personalized product recommendation to the website, it shifts the ad budget, or it sends you that you forgot this item on your cart email. Now, this entire 4-step cycle from collection to action happens in a fraction of a second, and it's what makes real-time marketing possible. So, In conclusion, big data is fundamentally changing the rules of marketing. It's not just about collecting information, it's about using that information in the blink of an eye. It allows companies to move from broad, generic messages to deeply personal, one-on-one conversations. And at the same time, it makes their marketing efforts smarter, faster, and more efficient. This ability to personalize and optimize in real time is no longer just a trend. It's becoming the standard for any business that wants to stay relevant. Thank you.